Hi, I'm Ethan Butler, a research scientist that works primarily with Peter Reich. I got my PhD in 2015 from Harvard University in Earth and Planetary Sciences, so I'm not actually an ecologist by training. My work there was on how US maize was affected by climate change with an eye towards how adaptation could reduce damages from a warming climate. That got me to found a journal club called Plants and Climate, and that eventually brought me to ecology, and Peter Reich brought me in to work on a project looking at how diversity influences productivity in Earth system models. The core project that I work on in relation to Cedar Creek is how increasing functional diversity in Earth system models affects estimates of the carbon cycle. So there's a ton of diversity research at Cedar Creek, most of which is very difficult to bring into large-scale land surface models because they aren't equipped to handle the type of diversity that gets studied at the plot scale. And so our work looks to increase the diversity in the models so that we can bring in the type of research that's happening at Cedar Creek. What I love about working in the Cedar Creek community is the huge range of experiments that are going on covering so many different aspects of diversity. I came in working originally only with Peter Reich, and since then I've expanded to work with Rebecca Montgomery, Janine Cavender-Bears, and Forrest Isbell, who are all doing a wide range of really interesting research, all of which would be great to incorporate into Earth system models. I've also had an opportunity to do some really interesting outreach as part of my work at Cedar Creek. After my older daughter was born in 2017, I put together a talk called Generations of Climate Change, which looked at the intellectual and scientific basis for anthropogenic climate change through the lens of generations. And through some of Cedar Creek's local outreach efforts, I gave a talk to a multi-generational crowd, and there's no way I would have had an opportunity like that without all of the great work that Cedar Creek is doing to connect to the local community.